Welcome back to the field of quad screams and broken dreams. I'm here today to show you the second part of the SICI challenge, and that is how to do a successful power loop over and over and over again. We're going to then apply what we've learned and we're going to put it together. But as part of the SICI challenge, today we've got Boywonder FPV with us. Hello Boywonder.
Hello.
So you've just taken your first successful squadding quad SICI. How did it feel?
Really nervous doing my first split S, and I managed to do it over and over again and I got really confident.
Has the squadding quad SICI challenge helped you become a better pilot?
Definitely.
Is squadding quads God?
Yes.
There you go. Boywonder is approved of squadding quads SICI challenge. Let's cut to the footage first of all of the power loop. Let me put this microphone back down so it's not going all over the place. So let's first of all cut to the footage of the power loop tutorial. Once we've done that, we'll then cut to Boywonder FPV's footage and we can hear the commentary because I've got a camera on him as well. Let's go, let's take our first successful squadding quads SICI. Because I forget about the delay. So I'm here at the field with Boywonder FPV and we've just done a nice flight together and he's going to try his SICI challenge. But what I wanted to do now is show you guys how we do a power loop, because some of you are struggling with the power loop. We've shown the split S, now we're going to show the power loop. So you go under your object, you then point up, throttle up, drop throttle, and you just pull the control, the right stick down, that's if you're in mode 2 of course, and it will just bring the drone back down. So again, you go under, you throttle up, point up, and then you let go of the throttle as you're upside down and you'll just roll over the object. And my advice again is start high like I'm doing now, and obviously eventually you can get even tighter to it, and you do that by throttling up for less time. Now that was a pretty poor power loop even by my standards, I've got to be honest.
Something's beeping, I don't know what it is.
But the idea is, it's okay. You just let it roll up and over, up and over and up and over. And you just do it as many times as you can.
That's loud, what is
I know, whilst getting tighter and tighter to your object. Making sure you go back on the throttle to pull yourself through and under that object. Now I'm deliberately going super high just to show you guys, because ultimately I don't want anybody breaking anything. We did, on the actual SICI challenge announcement video, we did do some super close ones, but for you guys who are a little bit new to this, we just want to take it nice and easy. And then very quickly before we finish, we're going to put it all together now and we're going to do the SICI challenge. I know a couple of you have already tried it and I'm super proud that you guys are listening and copying. So we stay at the height of the tree, we roll over, drop throttle, pull ourselves through, use that momentum, and we go back up and over. Really, really poor effort there, quads. Another split S. And again, letting myself down here, but that's because I'm having to talk and do it at the same time. So nice and tight to the tree look, and then relatively tight, and that is a SICI challenge complete. Pat yourselves on the back, submit your footage either via DM on Instagram, email, or we have a specific channel now on our Discord for you to submit your footage, upload it to YouTube, set it as unlisted, and once you've done that, drop a link into one of those 3 places. You've got until next Wednesday to do it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pass this drone to Boywonder FPV and he's going to try and do a smooth split S. He can do a split S, we're going to try and get him to do a smooth split S. So let's land this drone and switch batteries. Oh, he's also using my rates as well, poor kid. Right, let's go. So we're here at the field with Boywonder FPV and he's going to attempt his SICI challenge. He's using the Avion RC Nexa 3.5 Boywonder FPV, arm up, and away you go. So Boywonder FPV is doing his SICI challenge. I can see the drone with the LEDs and we want him to do a couple of nice smooth split S's first before he goes into the combo.
I'm just going to get aligned.
So I can see him. I'll switch around in a second. So he's lining up with the top of the tree now.
Right, I'm going for it.
I've got awful filming skills. There we go. Right, do that again, Boywonder. These LEDs from your boy Fly High FPV are amazing. We're going to have a proper review of them on the channel soon.
Oh, that was perfect. That was literally perfect.
Right, do it again. So to do the SICI challenge, you have to prove that you can do it over and over and over again, nice and smooth. Lovely, lovely. Don't know where he's gone.
I just did a flip and then...
Oh, yes, I've got you. Watching you with my...
Lots of vibrations on the camera because the propeller...
Because you crashed it. Yeah, there's probably a bent prop, don't worry about it.
Yeah, I can notice it so much.
So that's Boywonder. If the entire screen's blurry, that's a bit of a problem. But that was a lovely split S, really nice split S. So I'm going to keep watching him, but I'm going to turn the camera around to him now. Hang on a second, let me just zoom out. Nope, that's zooming in.
I just did another one.
Yeah, I can see you're right. So that's Boywonder FPV. Do it again, Boywonder FPV. And we'll try and line up this footage. Beautiful. Now, the more you do it, are you finding it easier and easier, and you're getting smoother and smoother? Yeah. And that's the point, isn't it? The more that we do something...
Sometimes when you do it over and over again, it gets a little bit harder because you're shaking a lot how many times you're doing it.
But the good thing is, by doing it over and over and over again, it makes it easier, doesn't it? Because you don't need to think about it.
It makes you more confident.
It does make you more confident. And that is... Now, some of you may know I used to be a teacher. And the key to learning is repetition. It genuinely is. The most important thing when it comes to learning is to do things over and over and over and over again.
I'm going to start practicing a power loop now. Not under the tree, just side the tree.
I'm looking at Boywonder FPV already, and I can see he's improved in just this flight.
I just did a super smooth power loop.
Super smooth power loop.
First try as well.
What's your LiPo on, sir?
3.7.
3.7, right. Do another split S then. Okay.
I'm going to do it from the other side now.
From the other side. Listen to the confidence this boy's got from just one SICI challenge.
The other side feels much more easy.
Lovely.
Going up full flip. Mine got the other way as well. I just saw a fly almost fly.
Looking really good there, Boywonder FPV.
Yeah, I don't know why, but I've got low bit rate. I'm seeing a bit of
You did crash it pretty hard, so something's probably come loose. I've got to be honest. Is it flashing orange on the screen?
No, it's it just looks a bit crusty.
Oh. If it's not flashed orange, it shouldn't be a problem.
Hey, I'm crusty day.
I don't know what that means. So apologies if it means something rude, because I am a boomer.
It doesn't.
Oh god. And that is Boywonder FPV's first attempt at the SICI challenge. He's now done, and I'm going to be confident without even seeing his footage.
But down the side of a tree.
Without even seeing his footage, I'm going to say I'm confident that he's done a split S. This boy's never really done a split S before today. He's done a couple. Okay, he's done a couple, but nothing major. And I also want to show you something as well. He's actually pinching, which is something that's new to him as well. So Boywonder, relatively. Boywonder FPV, congratulations on taking your first ever squad in quad SICI. Do you have anything to say? Oh, hang on, disarm first. Do you have anything to say?
Not really. I mean, I'm just...
Say thanks!
Thanks!
You're welcome! Right, let's go back to quads. Well, I think you can all agree that Boywonder FPV did an absolutely astounding job taking his first ever squad in quads SICI challenge. I'm really super proud of how he's coming on as a pilot, the confidence that he's getting, and that's just from a couple of sessions of teaching him repetition over and over again. You may have got that I did mention on the video. I used to be a teacher, and the key to learning when you're a teacher or when you're trying to teach people things is repetition. If you do something over and over again, you go through certain phases. So you'll start off at something called, unconscious incompetence. So you are incompetent, but you don't know it. Then you become aware, so you become consciously incompetent. And then you move to competent, but it's an unconscious competence. So it's almost like you can do it, but you're not sure how you did it. And if you was to ask to do it again, you'd probably struggle. And then you move to conscious competence. And the way that you do all those steps is literally repetition. Boywonder, if we look at his efforts from yesterday compared to today, it's night and day already, and it's only been a day. So well done, Boywonder FPV. Everybody wants to see more of you on the channel. Will you be back?
Definitely, yes.
Would you like a lady's face mask? Yes, I would. Thank you very much. Okay, peace out, everybody. Until next time, much love.